Listen, with the closing of so many of our beloved, cherished stores that carry art and craft supplies, it's important that I share, or should I say, we share, those spaces and places that still hold and offer items that we can use in our craft space that will not break our budgets. All right, by Tuesday morning, goodbye, Joanne's wonderful sales. Hello, Dollar Tree. Stay tuned for this week's sharing. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. All right, so I was in Dollar Tree, and I went in there to get, actually I was just getting some travel size laundry detergent for a trip we're getting ready to take, and some other travel size items. And I didn't even start in that aisle. I browsed the first area off to the right hand side that usually has the seasonal items for your home and outdoor. Picked up a couple things for my front yard, and one of them, one is the stakes to hold your flags, you know, your little garden flags, and then the other was this folding pruning saw, which I'm not even going to open it because who knows whether or not YouTube would be like, that's a weapon. But as you can see, it has those serrated, it's a serrated blade in there. I've got some saplings in my front yard that I can just go ahead and take out with that. And so I also picked up this weekly planner. Now this is really just like a page to do a dump and then, you know, kind of post it up on my cork board that I just painted, painted the outside a gray color to go on the walls here in my work and creative space here in the Lovely Lab. So it's got the little to-do list, and you know, I have plenty of planners, but sometimes I just want to be able to just jot something down, so it'll stay in my cubby up here. And let's see, somewhere in here, and then I'll be able to just pull it out and drop stuff on it and move on about my day. I've got plenty of, you know, planners and ways to keep track of things, but I do just need something to just drop, what do you call it, like a pre-plan plan. And then from there, kind of just plan my week out, you know, based off of the main goals that I need to take care of. Whether or not I stick with it, who knows? But for $1.25, I just figured it was cute with the little gold foiling on there. You know, that's cute, isn't it? So there's that. I don't even know how many pages are in there. Let's see. You know, it doesn't say. It's made in Canada, though. And I saw these cute little stickers. Now, I've stopped buying stickers a long time ago. You know, regularly buying them, but I felt like these would be a cute accent for cards, specifically for cards. Now they are a little bit raised up, but they're not too puffy. But they'll add a little bit of you know, a little shimmer to the card, a little accent there. So yeah. Now this I got just for me. Now we ain't gonna be here all day. I just sharing with y'all, and then we'll move on to the regularly scheduled program, right? I got this one because I love this color. This looks like the vintage, I don't even know what it's called. Somebody in the comments, if you know what I'm talking about, please share with us what this tealish colored, milky greenish colored, mint green actually, ceramic is called. Let me see if I can find it on Google. All right, I did a quick cursor search, and I wasn't able to find anything other than light green ceramic, mint green vintage. So, but I just got this because here in this space, I'm gonna leave this here until I can take it off all the way. I'll just heat that up. But I oftentimes take my jewelry off and set it down. I would like to have, granted, you can put anything in here you want to, but I need something to hold my bracelets and my rings when I'm in here. Sometimes I'm working with paint, and I can't tell you how many times I've taken my rings off and could not find them. I'm also taking my earrings on and off in here when I'm in a meeting on my desk over there. Sometimes I just have a couple pairs of earrings in here for when I'm going into a meeting. I don't always wear them because I do wear a headset. It's wireless, but from time to time when I need to wear the wired one, I'll have the earrings on and I'll get up from the desk and it'll pull and it'll, never mind. Anyway, so I just got this as a cute little, for $1.25. It's really, really cute. I think they had, this was the only color that I saw, so I'm not sure if they have anything else, but really pretty, really pretty. And then this is the reason I'm even sharing this with you. Now look, collapsible paintbrush washer. Okay, so here it's got a little, this is what it looks like when it's up. You can see that. Don't look at my nails. That's not what I'm showing. Down it's about 1.5 inches, and up I'm sure it's probably around 4 to 5 inches tall. But it's got this little brush holder here, right? And then it's got a lead, so if it's popped up all the way and you have your paintbrush in here, the water will drain down into this base. So I think this is good. I should have gotten 2. I have one off to the side that I picked up from Michael's, which is actually a dog bowl, collapsible dog water pet water bowl. But I figured this would be good. I think it may be part of a giveaway. We'll see. And then last but not least, oftentimes on my desk, I'm in the middle of doing something. Now, I have things in my cubby hole that keep me organized. However, on my desk, I'm oftentimes working, and I don't always put everything away because I'm not done with the project. So, like, for instance, right now, and I'm going to take that sticker off in just a bit. Right now, I have this box that I just taped down. This really could just go in here and set off to the side. And I need to put it in a box because I have stuff in the cubbies that if it's just loose like this and I'm trying to get something out of the cubby, I got to move all of this stuff individually, and that becomes problematic. So this is just another way for me to quickly be able to gain access to the things in my cubby while I'm in the process of doing other things. And so I am so grateful that we have Dollar Tree that still provides a measure of inexpensive items that you can use. This is not junk, you know. This is not what I see in my AliExpress emails. You know, how they send you a little list and a little that, and you're like, okay, how do you use that? What is it for? Anyways, guys, check out your Dollar Tree. See if they got something for you. Now, granted, in the craft area, many of the things that they offer for sale, I have, you know, these things and these things and, you know, things of that nature. But for those of you who haven't quite ventured off over there, go over there and check them out. $1.25 here. For $10, you can get yourself 8 different things. Well, 8? It's 8 things. 8 things. Is it plus tax? Anyways, you get what I'm saying. To use in your craft space and probably be throughout your home. All right? That's it. Back to our regular scheduled program. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.